Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to change your shipping address on Vistaprint. All right, so first up, go ahead and log into Vistaprint.com. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, just go to the top right and click on My Account. Now, click on Account right here. Okay, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead over to the bottom left. In the left pane right here, just click on Payment and Delivery. Okay, click on it and you can just easily click on Add a New Address. Okay, for example, this one right here. Okay, as you can see, I have here my main billing address. You can go ahead and add in a new billing address. But if you want to remove this one, just click on Remove. And when you try to buy something from the payment page, you'll be able to see two addresses. You can go ahead and select one. Now, what if you already ordered something? Okay, you can just go ahead over to the same set of steps right here. My account, then go ahead over to the left panel and click on Order History and Reorder. Okay, just click on it. Now, in this section, just go ahead and select this specific order, and you will have the order detail section. Okay, just click on it, and you'll be able to click Change under the delivery address. And that is it. Just make sure that the product hasn't been printed yet, okay, or the printing process is not ongoing. All right. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.